What's up on the time? When I just try, when I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. You walk, I could get it, to do my plans. When I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise, I want the precise.
Guys, the villa
is villaring.
The villa's villaring, yeah? Does this count as a villa?
Yeah, definitely.
Be like I'll fake it gone. You do well long for my city gone. You know be run from who you are, man. Wait and go be man is cast in stone. But do well long for our son you. But why they titi mo they sham you? I do well long to come here.
Hey vlog.
Yeah. Of course. This content is mandatory. Yeah. But how do you rate our villa?
Oh, your camera caught me dead at your ass.
I literally live near a spa.
Bro, caught me in 4K. Yeah, I was looking
Is it
down for like a
see-through?
good 10 seconds. Hey. No, I was just seeing the curve.
Oh. Six egg Stephen. Six egg.
How much egg you fry?
6.
6 bomber ass clot, pussy bomber blood clot egg. 6 blood clot egg dog. You ever work in a day bomber clot life?
This was my childhood favorite drink. I was never allowed to drink it. It was fizzy, but when I was allowed to drink it, too good.
Hey, marriage vlog, let me tell you guys a secret about myself. So, I'm feeling left out. I'm talking to the vlog, shush. I'm talking to the vlog, shush, man. I'm talking to your man, shush, man. Okay, my secret is that when I was in year 8, I was shipped to Cameroon because I beat up a girl. And I came back in year 11 and the whole thing was gone.
So everyone has to do a private camera.
I would never beat a bitch up again.
R.I.P. my eyeliner. Not that even have to eyeliner. Is that one called? Okay. I need to cook everyone dinner because they're struggling right now. put this on so I don't get the clothes dirty. I literally got to do my makeup, but I've not packed so much of the stuff that I need, so I'm interested to see how this is gonna go. Also my hair, like, I'm still learning how to maintain it. This texture, I've never had this texture before. It's a claw clip. So cute. I'm just gonna make sure that I think it's charging, my power bank is charging, and all that, whatnot. I'm trying to figure out how to use the kitchen. Oh! So limited on like this equipment we have. So I've got cumin powder, curry powder, garlic powder. I don't know what this is. I think it's like thyme and seasoning. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is Tuesday.
Our first full day in Portugal.
Yeah, last night was pretty a full day.
Yeah, it was a full day. Yeah.
But we didn't go out last night.
No.
We barely ate dinner. I ate like 2 bites.
I didn't eat yesterday. I ate a baguette.
We were too tired. This morning, Safia had to go to the hospital in an ambulance.
Yeah.
Because she's having an allergic reaction to something. So her and Samira are gone. We don't know how long they're going to be.
So we're just going to stay, clean up, eat breakfast, and then...
We might just go out and explore, just see what we stumble across.
Yeah.
Yeah. The lighting is not good here. Or maybe it's my mirror's dirty. My mirror's dirty.
Yeah.
I'm kind of liking this like small natural looking lashes. Pick up the phone. Do you know what's so crazy? I can't play music on YouTube. Don't worry, I'll find a remix and reverb version.
Whip, body, whip, got it, job, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping and bury a girl? Sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you were
Favorite brushes. That's so good.
I just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. You gon' stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my life, I'm on your mind and that you want this back.
That's light, Pauline.
Is it light?
Yes. How did you get so light?
There was really one shade darker than this. Our darker shade was dark.
I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna kiss your all the flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most. We take a picture, get posted. How that works? What you told me back.
Yeah, I was that.
So won't you say my name?
It's freezing. It's so cold, but it's so beautiful. Like, we're gonna go to a different beach. I think one with water sports because this one's pretty, but there's nothing really to do. We did a little walk around, bought some things.
We're going back to our villa to pick up our other friends to carry on the enjoyment.
Yeah, they're back from the hospital now, nearly. So, and we got the keys, so we can go back. And then we're going to try and find a different beach, like a more active one, because this beach is very chill, like not really much sports. posted and all. I hate when you post something and you watch it back and you're like, what the hell is that?
Anyway, you better like my comment
Oh.
so people know that I'm my friend.
As long as the likes hit like 100. I feel like we should rent bikes. I didn't want to bring my camera. I was scared about my camera getting damaged, so we're going parasailing right now. Scared of heights. I'm scared of
I could climb the Mount Fiji in this dress.
I'm scared. God, this is fun though. Look at behind us. It's so pretty. We're far out. If we drop now, bomba. But it's a speed boat. You can get out quickly. Hi vloggy. We are going to dinner. This is my outfit. We're going to somewhere called Sexy Meat. So yeah, it's steak. I love steak. I think calling it Sexy Meat was weird though. Shop definitely. I had a mojito, but it was. I drank it, but it was none of the alcohol. We're so overdressed for some shop. Everyone's tipsy.
No, I'm alright. I'm in your case.
I'm a fake Angolan. Our Portuguese is so bad, it's embarrassing to even say. Like, I can listen to Portuguese, and when people are talking, I can be like, I know what you're saying, but I can't talk Portuguese. Good morning. It is Wednesday, and we're gonna go do some kayaking in the caves now. So we've got a bit of a journey. Guys, we're literally about to go on. I had to leave my camera in the we're in the canoe. Hello. Mate, I'm struggling. We've crashed about 8 times. I've banged my foot, my finger's bleeding, my arms are tired, I'm ready to go sleep. I'm ready to eat and sleep after this. Eat, yeah. Guys, we're cycling. It's really fun. I'm not cycling since I was a kid, so. Yeah?
The freakiness. Baby girl, make it come.
That's so lovely. Oh, they're calling me. Woo! Nearly crashed, nearly crashed.
Yeah, twin bitches. Twin bitches. Twin bitches. I've been up a jet ski.
I'll tell the camera. It's the last day of the trip, and we might actually have to extend. Might have to be here for a few more days, mate, because we have locked our passports inside the Airbnb and the shutters are down. Can't even flip and access it from the back garden. So yeah, thank you for watching my vlog. Maybe I won't tell you guys how it ends. Maybe you'll just have to find out if we ever made it back to the UK. Bye.